Sigma males are adept at navigating relationships in a way that sets them apart, particularly when it comes to their approach towards women. Their ability to excel in disregarding women stems from a unique blend of independence, introspection, and a focus on personal goals that transcend societal expectations. Unlike traditional alpha males who seek validation through dominance and attention, Sigma males prioritize their own path, often eschewing conventional relationship dynamics. This does not imply a lack of respect or disregard for women as individuals. Rather, Sigma males value autonomy and freedom in their interactions, preferring meaningful connections based on mutual understanding and intellectual stimulation. Their inclination to disregard superficial norms and societal pressures allows them to forge authentic relationships founded on genuine compatibility and shared values. By prioritizing personal growth and introspection, Sigma males maintain a healthy distance from stereotypes and embrace a mindset that values substance over superficiality in all aspects of life, including their interactions with women. Number 22. Sigma males possess a strong sense of independence and self-reliance, which enables them to ignore women who seek to control or dominate in relationships. They value autonomy and freedom, choosing to engage in partnerships characterized by mutual respect and equality. Sigma males prioritize healthy boundaries and clear communication, ensuring that their relationships are based on trust and collaboration rather than power dynamics. This independence allows them to navigate relationships with confidence and integrity, fostering a sense of partnership and shared responsibility. Number 21. Sigma males excel at ignoring women who exhibit needy or clingy behavior. They value personal space and emotional independence, preferring relationships that allow for individual growth and fulfillment. Sigma males understand the importance of maintaining balance and autonomy in their relationships, choosing to invest in connections that respect their need for independence. By prioritizing healthy boundaries and clear communication, Sigma males ensure that their relationships are supportive and enriching, fostering mutual respect and understanding. Their ability to ignore clinginess or neediness reflects their commitment to authenticity and self-assurance in all aspects of their personal and romantic lives. Number 20. Sigma males are adept at ignoring women who prioritize superficial qualities over substance. They value depth and authenticity in relationships, seeking connections based on mutual understanding and shared values rather than outward appearances. Sigma males understand that true compatibility goes beyond physical attraction, focusing instead on emotional intelligence and intellectual stimulation. By prioritizing substance over superficiality, Sigma males ensure that their relationships are meaningful and enriching, fostering a deeper sense of connection and fulfillment. Number 19. Sigma males exhibit a keen ability to ignore women who engage in gossip or drama. They prioritize peace and harmony in their relationships, choosing to avoid unnecessary conflict and negativity. Sigma males value constructive communication and mutual respect, steering clear of gossip and drama that can undermine trust and stability. Their focus on positivity and emotional maturity enables them to cultivate healthy and supportive relationships, where open communication and understanding thrive. Number 18. Sigma males excel at ignoring women who lack ambition or drive. They value personal growth and achievement, seeking partners who share their motivation and determination. Sigma males understand the importance of aligning with someone who supports their aspirations and contributes positively to their journey towards success. By prioritizing ambition and drive, Sigma males ensure that their relationships are dynamic and inspiring, fostering mutual growth and fulfillment. Their focus on shared goals and aspirations allows them to navigate relationships with clarity and purpose, ensuring that their partnerships are both fulfilling and empowering. Number 17. Sigma males value substance over superficiality, which empowers them to avoid women who prioritize material wealth and status. They recognize that genuine connections are built on shared values, mutual respect, and emotional compatibility rather than financial considerations. Sigma males understand the emptiness of relationships based solely on material gain and prefer to invest in relationships that foster personal growth and fulfillment. This discernment allows them to navigate the complexities of modern dating with clarity and purpose, ensuring that their relationships are grounded in authenticity and meaningful connection. Number 16. Sigma males possess a deep-seated respect for boundaries and personal space, which enables them to ignore women who exhibit clingy or needy behavior. They value independence and self-sufficiency, viewing healthy relationships as partnerships based on mutual respect and trust rather than dependency. Sigma males prioritize their own emotional well-being and avoid relationships that feel suffocating or restrictive. This boundary setting not only preserves their autonomy but also fosters healthier and more balanced connections with others. By maintaining clear boundaries, Sigma males uphold their integrity and ensure that their relationships contribute positively to their personal growth and fulfillment. Number 15. Sigma males are masters at ignoring women who play mind games or seek to manipulate through emotional tactics. They possess a keen awareness of subtle psychological maneuvers and are adept at recognizing when someone is trying to control or undermine them. Sigma males value transparency and authenticity in relationships, preferring straightforward communication over manipulative tactics. Their ability to navigate emotional complexity with clarity and integrity allows them to maintain autonomy and cultivate genuine connections based on mutual respect and trust. Number 14. Sigma males prioritize personal growth and development, which empowers them to ignore women who do not support their ambitions or share their life goals. They understand the importance of aligning with a partner who encourages their aspirations and contributes positively to their journey towards fulfillment. Sigma males value relationships that foster mutual growth and support, choosing to invest their time and energy in connections that enhance their personal and professional lives. This selective approach ensures that their relationships are meaningful and enriching, contributing to their overall sense of purpose and achievement. Number 13. Sigma males exhibit a deep-seated commitment to authenticity and integrity in their interactions with others, which enables them to ignore women who lack sincerity or genuine intentions. They value honesty and transparency, seeking relationships that are built on mutual trust and respect. Sigma males are adept at discerning genuine connections from superficial ones, choosing to invest in relationships that align with their values and beliefs. This authenticity allows them to navigate the complexities of dating with clarity and purpose, ensuring that their interactions are meaningful and fulfilling. Number 12. Sigma males prioritize emotional maturity and stability, which empowers them to ignore women who engage in drama or unnecessary conflict. They value peace and harmony in their relationships, preferring to resolve differences calmly and respectfully. Sigma males are skilled at maintaining composure and perspective during challenging situations, avoiding emotional entanglements that detract from their overall well-being. This emotional resilience allows them to focus on constructive communication and mutual understanding, fostering healthier and more fulfilling connections with others. Number 11. Sigma males excel at ignoring women who seek constant validation or attention. They prioritize self-assurance and independence, viewing relationships as opportunities for mutual growth rather than sources of validation. Sigma males understand the importance of self-worth and value partners who appreciate them for who they are, rather than seeking external approval. Their confidence and self-reliance enable them to navigate relationships with clarity and purpose, ensuring that their interactions are grounded in authenticity and mutual respect. Number 10. Sigma males possess a strong sense of self-discipline and focus, which empowers them to ignore women who exhibit inconsistent or unreliable behavior. They prioritize stability and reliability in their relationships, valuing partners who demonstrate commitment and consistency. Sigma males understand the importance of trust and reliability in fostering meaningful connections, choosing to invest their time and energy in relationships that contribute positively to their lives. This disciplined approach allows them to maintain clarity of purpose and uphold their standards in all aspects of their personal and professional endeavors. Number 9. Sigma males possess a keen ability to recognize emotional manipulation. They navigate relationships with a sharp awareness, swiftly identifying subtle attempts to control or guilt-trip them. Drawing inspiration from Sherlock Holmes, they gather insights through meticulous observation rather than hasty theorizing. This vigilance allows Sigma males to maintain autonomy, enforce boundaries, and cultivate genuine connections free from manipulation. Their clarity of mind and commitment to authenticity ensure they engage only in relationships grounded in mutual respect and sincerity. Number 8. Sigma males cannot be easily impressed by superficial appearances. In a world where many prioritize external glamour, Sigma males seek substance and authenticity. They see beyond the surface, valuing genuine qualities over superficial charm. This discernment enables them to ignore women who prioritize image maintenance over inner depth. Sigma males are adept at filtering out distractions, focusing only on connections that resonate on a profound level. Their ability to see through facades ensures that their interactions are meaningful and enriching, driven by authenticity rather than superficial allure. Number 7. Sigma males exhibit a disdain for casual relationships prevalent in modern dating dynamics. They recognize the transient nature of fleeting romances and avoid shallow connections lacking genuine depth. Sigma males prioritize meaningful interactions and personal growth, dismissing the allure of temporary thrills. Their focus on long-term compatibility and mutual respect guides them away from relationships rooted in convenience or fleeting passion. By ignoring casual flings, Sigma males maintain clarity of purpose and uphold their commitment to authenticity in all aspects of life. Number 6. Sigma males remain unaffected by societal expectations imposed on relationships. They reject the pressure to conform to unrealistic standards set by others, including women's expectations. Sigma males prioritize self-assurance and personal goals over external validation, ensuring their actions align with their own values rather than societal norms. By disregarding unrealistic expectations, Sigma males uphold their autonomy and integrity, navigating relationships with a sense of purpose and authenticity. Their refusal to conform demonstrates strength of character and a commitment to living authentically on their own terms. Number 5. The uncontrollable nature of Sigma males empowers them to assert control over their relationships. They approach romantic interests with a discerning eye, evaluating compatibility based on shared values and life goals. When a woman does not align with their vision, Sigma males confidently move forward, unfazed by external pressures or emotional attachments. This ability to maintain independence and focus on personal growth allows Sigma males to navigate the complexities of modern dating with clarity and purpose. Their decisive actions reflect a commitment to authenticity and self-empowerment, ensuring that they engage only in relationships that enhance their journey towards fulfillment. Number 4. Sigma males practice selective socializing in the chaotic landscape of modern dating. They prioritize quality over quantity in their social interactions, investing time and energy only in relationships that contribute positively to their lives. Sigma males avoid superficial connections and casual encounters, preferring meaningful interactions that align with their values and aspirations. This discerning approach ensures that their social circle consists of individuals who share their vision for personal growth and mutual respect. By focusing on meaningful connections, Sigma males uphold their integrity and cultivate relationships that enrich their lives on a deeper level. Number 3. Sigma males are comfortable being alone, prioritizing self-sufficiency and personal fulfillment over the need for constant companionship. They embrace solitude as an opportunity for introspection and growth, unbothered by societal expectations or pressures to conform. Sigma males value independence and self-reliance, viewing relationships as a complement rather than a necessity. Their contentment in solitude reflects a strong sense of self-awareness and confidence, allowing them to navigate life with clarity and purpose. By embracing their individuality and prioritizing personal development, Sigma males exemplify resilience and inner strength, inspiring others to cultivate their own paths towards fulfillment. Number 2, Sigma males communicate with a reserved and purposeful style that reflects their introspective nature. They are selective about the words they choose, preferring meaningful dialogue over superficial chatter. Sigma males value quality communication that reflects the depth of their character and insights. This reserved approach creates an air of mystery and intrigue, drawing others to listen attentively when they speak. Sigma males' communication style reflects their commitment to authenticity and clarity, ensuring that their words carry weight and contribute positively to their interactions. Number 1, Sigma males excel in the art of ignoring women because they prioritize personal purpose and independence above societal expectations of romantic involvement. They navigate relationships with a deliberate focus on their own goals and aspirations, often choosing solitude over superficial connections. This deliberate detachment is not rooted in disdain for women, but rather in a profound respect for their own autonomy and personal growth. Sigma males understand that meaningful relationships require mutual understanding and shared values, qualities that they prioritize over fleeting romantic interests. By ignoring societal pressures and focusing on their individual journeys, Sigma males demonstrate resilience and self-awareness, inspiring others to prioritize authenticity and personal fulfillment in their own lives. Thank you for your attention. You can now become a member of the channel by clicking the Join button under this video.